a true Victorinox fragrance concept. Very, very feminine. It's inspired by traveling women. The tagline, "Embrace the world," says it all. It smells like traveling all over the world, getting new experiences, being inspired and enjoying life.
The inspiration for this new fragrance was really about, for example, Burma, where you have floating markets with a lot of different spices and flowers, and you can really smell the special and vivid colors that you see on the lake. So you have things like lychee, gives a very fruity note, or as well as sweet notes like vanilla or rosewood. Special thing about the flacon is also our functionality that we want to include in all our products, of course. And what could be more functional for a female fragrance than including a mirror in the flacon?
Ella Maillard was an adventurous Swiss woman who made her name as an explorer. She's one of the most remarkable women traveling around the world and our inspiration for Ella.
Wir sind also die Ersten, die den Duft überhaupt wirklich in die Nase kriegen.
I really liked Ella because of the flacon, because of the fuchsia bright color, and then because of the mirror, which is integrated. This makes it really functional, especially while traveling. And when it comes to the fragrance, I like the fruity and fresh aspect, and I think it really fits to an independent woman, which I like a lot.
To share travel experiences, Victorinox defined the Ella Walk concept as social media initiatives where Ellas all over the world can upload their impressions, their experiences on Instagram. The ellawalk.com homepage combines them and inspires other women to travel the same way. Try it.
Ella Walks are discovery tours made of Instagram pictures. These pictures are called spots, and each of these spots reveals a fabulous location somewhere in the world. We're really hoping for many Ellas to join the Ella Walk and share their favorite spots with others.